Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You must act now. Check your phone model, OS version, and whether a hardware silent or vibrate switch is set to vibrate. Open your clock or alarms app and pick the alarm you want. If none exists, create one and set the time and repeat schedule. Once done, tap the sound or ringtone setting to change how the alarm alerts you. Make sure to avoid choosing a ringtone. Instead, continue to the sound options to force vibration-only behavior immediately. Now configure the core settings. In the alarm sound or ringtone menu, select a vibration pattern. If the menu lacks one, create a custom vibration and assign it. Next, silence audible output by selecting none or setting the alarm volume to 0. On some systems, you must reduce the ringtone volume, not media volume. Once set, test right away by using the preview or scheduling an alarm a minute or two ahead, so you confirm vibration strength and behavior on lock or do not disturb modes. Finish by saving the alarm and verifying system settings. Make sure do not disturb permits alarms to bypass silencing, and confirm global vibration is enabled in setting sounds. Lock your phone and perform a live test to ensure the device vibrates while remaining silent. If you see inconsistent behavior, check battery saver or low power modes that may suppress vibration. Troubleshooting tip: restart your device, then reassign or recreate the
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.